Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Connor
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you the corniest of corny item displays that you've ever seen. So obviously today we're highlighting the James Bond. We've got the 1 ounce James Bond gold minted bar. So been a little bit excited about getting this one in, I think. Bit of a James Bond fan myself. How about you, Connor?
Yeah, I do really like the James Bond films. However, I will admit I've only seen 1 or 2 of the older ones, and I don't know which ones they were. I remember seeing one where I think 003 dies in like a snow skiing accident or something.
Mate, you've got to watch the older ones. The newer ones, James Bond was, well, yeah, but James Bond was always tongue-in-cheek. Like, it was the ridiculous.
Yeah.
Whereas now it's very dark and serious and that sort of stuff. So I actually don't like the new stuff. I like the old ones far better.
Well, what do you think of the designs of these bad
I actually
boys?
love these. So this is the Diamonds Are Forever design. So you've got the 007 on the front with the gun on it. And then when you roll them over, you've got the Diamonds Are Forever symbols on there.
I haven't actually seen this design before. I know we've had them in previously in other medals, but yeah, this is the first time seeing the 007 design. I'm loving I don't know what you call it, the knurling or someone said, you know, the pimpling of the
pimpling
back of,
that I call it. Yeah, it's very fitting for this one because it's little diamonds. So on a Diamonds Are Forever design, it really works. And then you've got obviously the seal of the Royal Mint, which everything British. You know, it really suits the 007 package.
Yeah.
I love it. And then, yeah, like I said, the Diamonds Are Forever on the back. So each one comes in these sealed packages. They're minted bars. So it gives you, this is effectively your certificate of authenticity there. And it's got the designer on it, signature and all that type of good jazz with weight and purity obviously up at the top there. So look, it's not going to, let's be clear from up front, I doubt very much it's going to become a collector's item along those sort of lines. I think it will develop a bit of a collector's following, but it's not going to be a humongous collector's item, but it's a great fun one to get. Yes, it's at the pricier end of fun, but it's still good fun to get. We've got heaps in. I think we bought 50 or 60 of them at least. So they'll take there's no screaming urgency. You don't have to buy them today. We're not about to sell out in 10 minutes like some of the other stuff we release.
Fingers crossed. I try and get Michael not to say that on a video because that will jinx it, generally speaking. But
so, you know, you've got a little time to save up for it sort of thing. But they are a great fun item to have in your stack.
Awesome. Well, thanks for showing us that one there, Michael.
No worries.
Perfect.